Welcome to day 6 of the 12 days of December deep cleaning. This morning we had a big snowstorm, so we were outside this morning for a few hours making snowmen and playing in the snow. We had our beach toys out, shoveling the snow and making little sandcastles. I've been working on this hill for them so that they can go down it on their sled. It was pretty small, so I would just kind of launch them off of it. I would pull the sled and they would get some air and kind of go over it that way. But now it's big enough that they can kind of climb up and go down. They also really like sitting on the furniture and eating their little snow creations. They'll make snow in their snow kitchen, and then they go sit around the dinner table. Yeah, they just have so much fun with this hill. Kids are so simple, just a mound of snow, and they're just yeah, I'm in. And yeah, they were going down even without the sled. Anyways, so today we are doing kitchen cabinets. I actually did the base cabinets before our trip to Muskoka, so I'm just doing the top cabinets and the appliances. So the base cabinets are obviously going to be a lot messier than these top cabinets, but the top cabinets do get dusty, so I'm wiping the dust off and then also just focusing on those handles because obviously that's where oils from your fingers get on. The top of my range hood was also covered in grease, and so it must be from the steam rising and then settling on top of it. Yeah, I'm not sure how you can get food on top, on top of the thing, but it's somehow there. The other place that was really surprisingly dirty was the top of the fridge. The top of the fridge has so much dust, so I can tell it was never cleaned before. So yeah, I said I was not going to do the base cabinets today, but when I do the floors, I want to show you guys what I do to clean the base cabinets on a regular basis. So the base cabinets are washed pretty regularly. Whenever I mop the floors, I actually just use the mop and swipe across the base cabinets. It's hard to explain, but I'm going to show you when I do the floors. I'm going to do the floors on the last day of this thing. And so yeah, every time I mop the floors, I actually do wipe down the base cabinets, and it's a really quick way to do it because you just swipe. I use a broom and a cloth, and you just swipe it super quickly, and it's a good way to just kind of maintenance clean them. But like I said, I did deep clean the base cabinets before my trip to Muskoka, so I'm going to show you guys that on day 12. I'm also just cleaning things on the spot. I'm just kind of sliding things out of my way and making sure it's clean. Like I said, the tidying is going to be a lot before everyone comes over. We keep our house fairly clean. I make sure I wipe surfaces a lot, but the tidying, oh my gosh, it's exhausting. The kids, I feel anytime I tidy something, it's undone a couple hours later. Also wiping down the dishwasher and the stove after this. Whoever owned the house before really ruined the finish on the dishwasher. It's impossible to wipe it so that it looks nice. I think they must have used the scrub part of the sponge on it or something. They ruined the finish on it. So that will never become undone, but anyways. So yeah, just kind of cleaning. I mean, this is going to get dirty. Obviously, we cook literally 3 times a day, I swear to God. So this is going to get dirty again, but just giving it a good wipe down. So that is day 6. Alex has literally not even noticed I've deep cleaned anything. It's actually kind of funny. So I don't know why I'm doing this, to be honest. But anyway.